The objective of this exercise is to collect data remotely with a live device connected to the IoT system. For that, we need to set the IoT system in the so-called datalogging mode, configure the sensors that we will use for the data logging session, and then, after the data logging phase, upload the data on the cloud. Let's start collecting some data remotely. For that, we will set our IoT system in data logging mode. So let's browse the data logging section, and the web application will ask the gateway, flashing in the first memory bank of the device the data logging firmware that we flashed during the configuration phase of the overall system. So now the device is responding with its configuration, and as you can see, all the sensors are disabled. Let's enable one of them, the accelerometer one, for example, and let's configure it in this way. So I selected as a full scale 16G and as a ODR 30 Hz. So now let's start the data logging phase. So now the gateway is starting the data logging phase remotely on field, as you can see here. And now I can tag my data. So for example, let me shake my board and let's tag the data with the shaken tag. And that's it. Let's stop the data logging. And a few seconds, the data logging process will be stopped on the gateway. The data have been saved locally on the gateway. And then we can decide to upload them manually from here. So let's do that. The data have been uploaded, and now the cloud web service is converting them into CSV files. So let's refresh now the page, and let's search for them. Fine. This is the file that we collected, that we labeled with the shaken class, this one. So let's visualize it. And as you can see, this is the movement that I did with the board connected to the IoT system right now.